Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribed, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Wow.
So hi guys, this is Max & Sons Perfume again, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my contents, which is unboxing perfumes, and it will be I am uploading my videos every once a week or twice a week. Okay, now let's get started. Let's open the Beyonce Heat by Beyonce. Okay, open the Beyonce Heat. Okay, we are opening the Beyonce Heat. Alright, and okay, so let's see what's inside the product. Ooh, look at that.
Oh my god!
I think it's really good. Let me see. Okay, the bottle itself is exquisite. It's so elegant. Okay, let's see how it smells. This is the bottom. Okay, and this is, it look like Beyonce. It's color red. It's magnificent bottle. Actually, it's really good. It's like Jenny in the bottle. So Heat by Beyonce is an amber vanilla fragrance for women. Heat was launched in 2010. It was created by Claude and Olivier Gillotin. Okay, the top notes are peach, orchid, magnolia, and neroli. Middle notes are almond, macarons, and honeysuckle. Base notes are amber, Tonka bean, and Sequoia. Let's see how it smells. Alright, can you spray it? Spray it into my hand. Can you spray it? Like that. Okay, because it's new. Oh, one more.
Yeah, boy.
One more. Okay. Smells good. It really smells good. The smell is like how can you describe it? It's like it has like a green apple. I'm a guy, but I like it personally. So okay, so this is Heat by Beyonce, and it's really good. It looks like good to me and smells like good to me. Alright, so if you want to buy this product, you can buy it at Max & Sons Perfume. Alright, and give you special discount on this one. Just send me a message in my Facebook or in my YouTube channel. Okay, that's it again guys, and see you again on my next video. Have a good one guys. Beyonce.
Wow.
Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends. to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max and Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.